Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to track phone number clicks in GA4 using Google Tag Manager. Tracking phone clicks is super important to measure offline leads and understand which marketing campaigns are driving those valuable calls. Let's get started. First of all, we need to go to Google Tag Manager. Click on Preview Mode to start the debugging process. Now, visit your website and click on the phone number link. In the GTM preview window, you will see an event called Link Click under the Summary section. If you check the Link Click event, you will get all the click details, including the phone number link data. You may also see an event called phone number click, but it won't show any useful data right now. That's why we will set up tracking based on the link click event. Now let's create a trigger to track phone number clicks. Go back to GTM, click on Triggers, click New to create a new trigger. Name the trigger phone number. Click on Trigger Configuration. Under Choose Trigger Type, select Just Link. Now, under Trigger Fires On, select Some Link Clicks. In the Condition box, choose Click URL. Select Contains. In the Value box, type Tell. This tells GTM to detect all phone number clicks. Click Save to create the trigger. Now, let's create a tag to send this data to GA4. Go to Tags, click New to create a new tag. Name the tag GA4 phone number. Click on Tag Configuration. Select Google Analytics GA4 event. Select Google Tag. In event name, type phone number click. Set event parameters. In the first box, type click text. In the second box, choose click text from the variable list. In the first box, type click URL. In the second box, choose click URL. Scroll down and click Triggering. Select the phone number trigger we just created. Click Save. Now click on Submit to publish your changes. After that, click on Preview again to test if the tag fires correctly. Visit your website, click the phone number link again. Go back to the GTM preview window and check if your GA4 phone number tag fired correctly. Now go to your GA4 property. Open Debug View and you should see the phone number click event. Click on it to see all the data, including click text and click URL. This confirms that the tracking is working perfectly. That's it for today's tutorial. If you missed my previous videos on how to set up the data layer in Shopify and how to set up events for GA4 tracking, make sure to check out my web analytics playlist. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow my page for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay well.